Let's begin second Roman letter first question. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. Okay, so just substitute the values of tan 30 and 2 by root 3, 1 by 3 will come now if you square it. So cross multiply it, 3 plus 1 by 3, so which is 4 by 3. So 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4, right? So I can cancel this 2 and 4, right? And root 3 and 3 you can cancel it because 3 is root 3 into root 3, right? You can cancel 1 root 3 with this one with 3, right? So you will be end up with root 3. So always 3 by root 3 means you will end up with root 3 because 3 is the multiple of root 3 into root 3, right? So you can cancel 1 root 3 with this and remaining will be 1 root 3. So 2 you can cancel with 4. So root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 you have to check in the table. Okay, according to the options given, sin 60. Also you will get cos 30, but cos 30 is not given in the option, so you're choosing the sin 60 option. Okay, so next question, tan 45 is 1 minus 1 square 1 plus 1 square, so you'll end up with 0, which is option D. Third question, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. So you have given options like this, no, you have to choose every option and to check whether both the sides are equal, that is LHS equal to RHS. First take LHS for 0 degree, a equal to 0. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a, right? So for LHS, sin 2 into 0 degree. For RHS, 2 sin 0, right? So 2 into 0 means 0 degree, right? 2 sin 0. Sin 0 value is also 0. 2 into 0 and sin 0 is 0. So 0 equal to 0. Can you see a equal to 0 degree satisfies here? LHS equal to RHS, no? So you can choose the a equal to 0 is the option. So if you check for 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, no, it will not be equal. So you can go with the option 0 degree. Let's begin with the fourth question. For tan 30, 1 by root 3 value, 1 minus tan square means 1 by root 3 the whole square. So 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. Cross multiply it, 3 minus 1 by 3, right? So 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. So just reciprocal it in the denominator, 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. So always remember, when you're cancelling 3 with root 3, you'll end up with root 3, right? Because 3 has the multiple of root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 will get cancelled and remaining will be another root 3. So 2 will get cancelled. Root 3 is the answer. Root 3 is the, you check the table, tan 60 is the root 3 value. Okay. This is very important question. Third question is very important. This type, we have so many questions from this type. Okay. So you have to search for other type of questions based on this type to get familiarized with this type of question. So given that, let's start with the third question. Given that if tan of a plus b equal to root 3, tan of a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, so what you need to do is, you take, this is one statement, this is one statement. Also given that a plus b is 0 to 90 degree, that is angle of a plus b will be between 0 and 90 degree. A is greater than b. Find the value of a and b. Okay, just take the statement, tan of a plus b is root 3, right? So what is root 3 value in the tan table? So since you have tan, no, you check this value with the tan table. Tan 60 is root 3, right? So you can just think like tan and tan will go. So a plus b will be 60 degree. You can cancel this tan and tan. So remaining a plus b is 60 degree. Now take tan a minus b is 1 by root 3. So tan a minus b is equal to tan 30, right? So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan will go, a minus b is 30 degree. Now can you do the elimination method? And to get the a value as 45 degree, if you add it, and once you get a value, substitute in any equation, you get the b value as 15 degree. So angle a 45, angle b 15, a is greater than b as per the given condition. So always remember, if they have given this kind of question, no, take this, if tan is there in the left hand side, you make this value in the tan table, tan 60, so that you will get one equation. Likewise, when you get two equations, solve using elimination method to get the a value and b value. So fourth question, you need to state true or false. Sin of a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b. Okay, you need to prove this. Okay, so you can take any angle, 30, 60, 45, 90, like that. Okay, so I am taking 30 and 60 degree. For a I am taking 30, for b I am taking 60 degree. So if you substitute sin 30 plus sin 60, it is not equal. One is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. It is not equal. Maybe if you take 45, 90, it may be equal. But that condition should satisfy for all the angles. But for 30 and 60 angle, if you take, it is not satisfying, right? So the given statement is false. Second one, value of sine theta increases as theta increases. And check out the table. Keep the table in your hand. Sine theta values increases or decreases. So sine theta values are 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. So it starts from 0 and it ends with 1. So it increases from 0 to 1 as theta increases from 0 to 90 degree. So this is true, right? And value of cos theta increases or decreases. Cos theta value starts from 1 but it ends with 0, so it is false. It is decreasing. Cos theta values are decreasing, it is not increasing, so it is false. Sine and cos are equal for all the values of theta. Is it true? No, right? Only for theta 45 degree it is 1 by root 2 for both sine and cos. All other values are different, so it is false. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. So check the cot A table. Cot 0 is not defined, so it is true.